Okay, guys, hotel review time. This is the Green Hotel and Resort located in Khon Kaen, Thailand. I stayed here in April 2023 for 2 nights. When I was there, the hotel was sold out both nights. It cost me 1,000 baht per night, which included breakfast. This is a fairly nice hotel at a very reasonable price, and the only hotel I could find in Khon Kaen that was sold out. I checked on the second night after the lady told me when I checked in that it was sold out for the weekend. I couldn't find any other hotel sold out. It's not a perfect hotel, but it's a really good price, that's for sure. Plenty of parking, as you can see, just about full, and that's in the morning. I was on the third floor. I don't know if it's 5 or 6 levels, but it's a fair size hotel. Bathroom, the bedroom, bed, everything was good. Mini bar was just 2 bottles of water, but the fridge was nice and cold. The water was nice and cold already, and it did come with tea and coffee making supplies and a nice window into the bathroom. I don't know why they do that. Customer service, I give customer service 5 out of 5. Very, very friendly. And when I checked in on Friday night, it was really busy. There was a lot of people checking in at the same time. And still, it went fairly quick. A very easy check-in for sure. This hotel is considered 3.5 stars on Agoda. It has a rating of 8.2 out of 10, which is really good. And it has more than 1,500 reviews. The fact that it's sold out all weekend and a rating of 8.2 out of 10 should tell you that this is worth checking out. This hotel is worth taking a look at. That's for sure. I did eat lunch here on the second day, and it was really good. I can't remember the price, but the food was really, really good, as was the breakfast, which we'll see in a minute. Maybe not the best location in Khon Kaen, but just a 5-minute drive to pretty much everything in the central area. No swimming pool here, but a nice little garden area. And that's where the restaurant is. That's where breakfast is served. Not a bad lobby for a smaller hotel. There is an elevator here, but only one. And it's not that big, but there's stairs and everything. That was lunch. It was delicious, and it got it really, really fast, which was surprising. I was the only person in the restaurant, but there was some kind of event going on, a catered event, and that was keeping everybody really, really busy. That was the end of it. Most people had gone by then. This is where I ate breakfast at both days, sitting outside by the fountain. Just beautiful. I will leave a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out on your dates. For me, this is probably the best budget-friendly hotel in Khon Kaen. In my experience, hotels in Khon Kaen are a little on the expensive side for what they are. Breakfast was really good and plenty of selection. Eggs cooked to order. It's air conditioned inside, or it was when I was there, but I chose to sit outside. Alright guys, well that is it. This is my review based on when I stayed there and nothing else. Like I said, I think this is a good deal. I was quite happy with it, and the fact that they were sold out both nights and I couldn't find any other hotel that was full, that should tell you something. As always guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. There's a look at the busy road in the dark next to Central Plaza. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Link to Agoda is in the video description if you need more information or just want to check out the price on your dates.